Forget everything you know about stuffed bell peppers. We're packing these with wood-fired flavor and we're going to smoke them on the pellet grill. Most stuffed bell peppers are bland and baked in an oven. But today we're smoking them on a pellet grill with a savory filling, rich cheese, and a perfect kiss of that wood-fired smoke. They're incredibly easy to make and they will completely ruin you forever for making them in the oven. So let's get after them. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to cut just the top off your bell peppers and clean them out real good. I didn't show you that. Everybody should be able to do that. Anyway, you clean them out, and then you want to turn around and you want to even off the bottom so that they will sit there like that. All right. If you cut through on one of them, take the piece you cut off and stuff it inside to fill the hole if you have a little hole. That keeps your filling from running out. Anyway, once you get that done, we're going to take these and we're going to put them in this pan right here. You want to blanch them for 8 minutes, and I'll show you how we do that. Let me get them all in here, and let me get some water in it. All right, basically you just want to fill this up. All right, that'll be good enough for right now. Okay, once you get your peppers mostly covered with water, you want to put them on the stove under low heat. Just go down to like medium low, and we want to bring this to just a simmering type boil and let it go for 8 minutes. And once we do that, I'll be right back with you. Okay, we got our bell peppers. We got them parboiled or blanched, whatever you want to call it. We got them sitting out here. We're going to let them dry a little bit. While they're drying, we're going to take 1 pound of ground beef and we're going to brown it. This cast iron skillet going. Get this all browned up, and we put a quarter of an onion in here, diced up, that we're going to cook with it. All right. That onion's going to give us some really good flavor. And we're fixing to add some more seasoning to this. All right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Crack this in there. That's probably about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper. It's regular old pepper. Get it in there. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder to it. Now we're just going to brown this up really good. Get it all mixed in, get it brown, get those onions cooked down. And as soon as I get this done, I'll get right back with you and show you what we... Okay, our ground meat's done. Now we're going to start making our stuffing for these bell peppers. Just going to put all this in this bowl. And it's already smelling good. And I did drain this, the fat that was off of it, I did drain it. I've got 1 cup of rice that I'm going to put in it. Just like that. I'm going to put 1 block of cream cheese in it. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese in it. 1/2 cup. I like cheese. I'm going to add a little more. There we go. And now we're just going to mix all of this together really good. This is going to be our stuffing to go in here. It'll be a nice, meaty, cheesy stuffing with rice on it. Now you could add, if you wanted to, you could add some Cajun seasoning to it if you prefer the Cajun thing. Personally, I like it just like this. Just going to mix and get this all mixed up really good. Make kind of like a paste out of it is what we're going to do. Okay, I've got it all mixed up. Now I'm going to start filling those bell peppers. Just going to put a little bit in there. Just like that. All right. I'll do one more for you. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of these done and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I got all my peppers filled. So now I'm just gonna take some more of this cheese and we're just gonna top them with just cheese. Okay. I've got the cheese put on these. These are all done. Now I'm gonna put them in the smoker at 350 degrees for about between 20 and 30 minutes till they're good and done. You could do these in the oven, but believe me, you wanna do them on your smoker because adding that smoke flavor to these just takes it straight over the top. So let me get these on the smoker, and when they get done, I'll be right back with you. Okay, I got the peppers off, let them rest for about 10 minutes. Now we get to try them, and they smell amazing. Cut this open. Oh man, look at that. Does that look good or what? There we go. Now then. Oh man, that is so good. Peppers are tender. The filling is just over the top. You really need to try this. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. I hope you really try this because this should be your go-to stuffed bell peppers. And hey, I'd appreciate it if you leave me a comment if you've tried this or not down there. Give me a like. You know, if you hadn't subscribed, I really appreciate your subscription. And if you want to watch another video, learn some more of our cooking and barbecue, click on one of these. And until next time, thank you very much.